Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto walo Douglas Kanja ne lemo mar ogai mar obila e pachoka. Kanja yando gwel mondo mak lemo ne yor kojolo bang' Faith Koome ne gwe tao. Gikone to koro jatend piny oyang kaka jal ma owinjore omak lemo ne yo mongirore. E kindeno bende apisa ariyo magin Gilbert Masengeli kod Edil Kipkoech ochamo muma kaka jolupo ogai mar obila. Masengeli kod Kipkoech omi lemogo bang' duol ma tayo obila e pachoka dayo dhogi kanyakla kod ji mamoko manyocha oro kwayo.
I, Eliud Kipkoech Lagat, do swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Constitution and the President of Kenya.
I, Gilbert Masengeli, do swear that I will be faithful. I will subject myself to the Constitution, all acts, orders, and regulations now or in future.
Recently, we have been challenged, and many a times have been called upon. Chief Justice, where are you? People are dying, people are being abducted, people are being kidnapped. And I'm like, look, in the judiciary we sit and wait. We don't descend into the arena of the disputes. We can't go to the streets where others can go. But we can state the law and say what the Constitution says and what the National Police Act says about arrest. Every life matters, and it must be brought through the due